Praisers and Savers. We are at CVS doing our last minute runs for the week. I just got my coupons on Thursday, so I'm a little behind, but that's okay. Make sure you check out that printable breakdown in the description box to help you figure out all the different deals that you can get. So let's get started. All right, my favorite shampoo is the L'Oreal Elvive. They are on sale, 2 for $8, and you're gonna get back $3 in extra care bucks when you buy them. You're also gonna use this $3 off coupon that came out, so that's $6 off so far, making this $1 per bottle. Plus, we're gonna come. All right, we got this deal the other day, but there's 11 of 2 on here, so we're gonna get another one. Now, this Effordent, no coupons needed. They are $7.49, getting back $5 extra care bucks, making these just $2.49. Great thing to donate. All right, we absolutely love this Colgate Total Mouthwash. Now, they're on sale for $4.49. When you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in extra care bucks. We're also gonna use these $1 off coupons that we recently got. And so when we do that, let's look at the math on the computer real quick. So it's purple here. All right, so the Colgate Mouthwash, we're picking up 4 of those at $4.49. It's gonna make it $17.96. We're gonna use 4 of those $1 coupons, so that's $4. We're gonna get back $5 extra care bucks. Again, $5 extra care bucks, so $10, making it just $3.96 for all 4 bottles, less than $1 each. We're also gonna combine that with our $5 off 25 CRT for Colgate. So we're gonna combine that, so that will come off at the end. We're gonna pick up some of this Colgate Total Deep Clean. They were on sale for $3.99. When you buy 2 of them, you're gonna use that $4 instant coupon. Mine's already on my app. I'm also gonna use these $1 off coupons. So it's gonna make this Colgate Total Deep Clean for 2 of them $1.96. But we're gonna continue that and use our CRT. That is $5 off 25 on our app. Right, so I have over $25 in Colgate products. So the $5 CRT is gonna come off. Now remember, these were $3.96, so about $4. These were $1.96, so about $2. So that makes it about $6. But the $5 CRT is gonna come off, making these just $1 for all 6 products. Amazing. Right, this is not any kind of great deal, but the Tyson Blue Pods are $2.94. I have a $1 off coupon, making these $1.94. And these are the ones that I like to donate because they're in the pods, they don't leak. And so I pick them up every time I come into CVS. I picked some up today to donate to someone. All right, Praisers and Savers just returned from CVS. I spent $4 on everything you see here. I also rolled $20 in extra care bucks from my last transaction onto this transaction to get that total down. I think I received about $18 in extra care bucks. Let's check out my receipt. Long receipt here. You know how CVS does it. So just showing you, it was $4.72. And then I was able to use everything that we talked about. And then an extra $1 came off on the L'Oreal Paris shampoo, and I did not know about that. So that was actually, I guess, a glitch. So I used that $3 off coupon, and then another $1 came off on the app. So that was pretty cool. Of course, the $5 off 25 for the Colgate Total, and then the $4 off for that 2 select Colgate came off. So everything worked out really well with that. No problems whatsoever. I was able to save 92% today. And the only thing I really paid for was, remember we talked about that Tide that I donate, and then also some taxes. So that was pretty good. So just going through, I have $5 extra care bucks for my next transaction from buying the Effordent, $10 from buying both of the Colgate mouthwashes, so all 4 of those, $3 for the L'Oreal Paris, and then my 9 cents in my bonus, because we're doing it now in the increments instead of quarterly. So pretty good haul overall. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out that printable breakdown in the description box. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.